Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 websites that you can use to change an image into a cartoon. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first website we are going to use is called imagetocartoon.com. So once you click on it, it should take you to this website. So when you land on the website, don't click on this button. What we are going to do is we are going to select a character. So let's scroll down, and here we have different categories. We have business characters, career characters, festival characters. There are a lot of them, so I'm just going to choose any one of them. So just choose the one you want. I'm going to choose business characters, so I'll click on this. Then I'm going to upload an image, so click on upload an image. Then select the image you want to upload. So I'm just going to select this, then click on open. Now here you choose the gender, whether male or female. I'll leave it as it is. Now if you scroll down, you see that the effect has applied to our image. So just look here and choose the one you want to use. I want to download it, so I'll just click on download. Then it will be downloaded. So if I go to my downloads folder and click on this, you can see that the image has turned into a cartoon. Right, now let's move to the next website, which is befunky.com. So once you land on the website, you don't even need to sign up. What we do is click on get started, then choose edit photo. So it will take you to this interface. So once you are here, click on open, then click on computer. So it will take you to your computer and you choose the image you want. So I'm going to select this image. Now we have uploaded our image. So simply come to the left sidebar here, then click on Artsy. So once you click on it, you choose the one you want, whether you want to design digital art, cartoon. So in this video, we are going to use the cartoon feature. So click on cartoonizer, then select the effects you want. So I'm just going to select this effect, and within a few seconds the tool has turned our image into a cartoon. If you don't like it, you can go through, there are a lot of effects, and choose the one you want. However, if you want to download it, it won't allow you because we are using the free version. What you are going to do is to press Windows plus Shift plus S if you are on Windows. So we are going to take a screenshot of this. So I'm going to do this. Then let's take a screenshot. Now once you took the screenshot, open PowerPoint, then upload the image into PowerPoint. So go to insert, then pictures, this device, then you select the screenshot you've taken. So I'm going to downloads, then this is the screenshot. I'll click on it, then click on insert. So bring it to your PowerPoint and let's expand it small. So after uploading the image, we are going to crop the image. So simply select it, then click on crop. Now let's crop it. So that is it. Our image is done. Let's go and save it. So select the location you want to save it. Then under the type, click here and look for PNG. So I will select this, then click on save. So it will be saved as just this one. So it will be saved as an image on your computer. Now the third website we are going to use is called photolab.me. So once you land on the website, this is the interface. You can also download the app if you are on Apple, or you can download if you are on Android. So you browse through and see the effect you want to apply to your image. So in this video, I just want to apply this effect. So click on it. So click on the effect you want to apply to your image. Then it will take you to the next page. So here I'm going to click on apply to your photo. Then I will select my image, then click on open. And within a few seconds, it has opened our image. So here you can crop the image, you can change the size. So you can change this to, you can change it to square, landscape, or portrait. So I'm just going to leave it as landscape. Then I'll click on continue. And within a few seconds, our image has turned into a cartoon. This is my favorite one of all the 3 tools. So you can copy the link and share it, or you can also download it. So let's download it. So let's go to our downloads folder and open the image. So you can see that it comes with a watermark, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to remove it. So let's get into Canva. Now to do this, you need to have Canva Pro. If you don't have Canva Pro, don't worry. I've created a tutorial where I'll show you how to get Canva Pro for free. If you click on the first link in the video description, it will take you to the tutorial. Now, once you land on Canva, the first thing we are going to do is let's open the image we've downloaded. Then right click and click on File Info. So what we are looking for is the size of this image. So it's 980 by 1024. So let's go back to Canva. Then click on Custom Size. Then click on Create New Design. Okay, now once you do this, the next step is to go to Uploads. Then we are going to upload the image. So this is the image. Click on it and click on Open. So once the image is uploaded, let's drag it here. And let's right click on it and set as image background. So you can click here to expand, you can click here to make it larger. So I'm okay with this. Now what we are going to do is click on the image, then click on edit photo. We are going to use Canva Magic Studio features to do this. I've also created a tutorial on Canva Magic Studio, so I'll leave a link in the video description if you want to learn more about it. So we are going to use two features. The first feature we are going to use is grab text. So if you look at the watermark, it is text and this particular shape line. So click on grab text, and within a few seconds Canva will remove the text, or it will select the text on the image. So as you can see, Canva has separated the text from the image, then just delete it. Now we have this line to deal with. So click on the image again, then click on edit photo. Now we are going to use the brush, so that is Magic Eraser. So click on it, then this brush will come out. You can increase or decrease the size of the brush, so I'm okay with that. Then let's go to the image and just brush over this. As you can see, it has removed it. Here too, let's brush on it to make it more perfect. And as you can see, it has removed it perfectly. So once you are done, let's go back. Then once you are done with everything and you are okay, just click on share, then download. Here you select the format. I'm just going to leave it as PNG. So I'll click on download, and our image is downloaded. So if you go to your downloads folder, and if we open the image, you can see that the watermark is no longer available. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you find any value in this video, please consider sharing and subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.